Hello again. We're going to make another video about the old 109 Land Rover. I'm going to attempt to make some brake lining. Got a little bit of job over here today. I'll just give the sun needs to come in here. I'm over here making brake lining today. This is for the driver's side. It's just a short pipe. So I'm just new at this type of thing. Trying to make my own brake pipe to put onto it. The other ones are not too bad, but I thought I might give it a chance to make some new ones. Just a bit of a challenge. Just got to put the pipe in there and tighten it down a little bit. Nothing stressful. I think these are 3/16 pipe. Whoops. Just put a little bit of lubrication on the compartment here. Whoops. 3/16 is right there. It's the 3/16 pipe. So we just turn this gizmo thing around a bit. Yeah, there we go. Here we are. A little bit there. We need to turn around to get to a minute. Yep. Let's see what's around here. Put a bit of lubrication on it. Putting a flare on it. I'm trying to put one on here anyway. 3/16, yeah. So we'll have a look at that. If we did any good. Yeah, that seems to be the right one. It fits in there. Perfect. Hang on a minute. I've got to put another piece on this other end here. Got to bend it. That fits on there a little bit there. One on that end, one on this end. Put this little bit of gadget on it. Put it in there like that. Turn this back around to 0, whatever. little gadget and tighten it down a little bit. Get this machine going. Just zero the pipe in a bit. It does. Just crank it down a little bit. Nothing too stressful. A little bit of lubrication on this opposite one, whatever it is. Yeah, 3/16, whatever. Put a flare on it. A single flare. Yep, I'm just going to put this one on here. And put a little bit on this one here. 3/16. Well, it's not the one. This is the right one for this. Put a single flare on there at the moment. Let me turn this around. Okay. Right, we've got that one done. Yeah, we've got a nice little flare there. Goes over the end of it. It all takes a bit of practice. We'll go and have it, see if we can put it in. Just move you away from the bench a little bit, but just come over here. So slightly and see how we're getting on. Not sure whether you can see or not. Just sort of getting the shape from the old one. Yeah, a bit tricky. These putting these pipes in. You have to take it off the old pipe. Try and get some shape back into it. Oh yeah, that's about it. And you stick that down through there. You put the flare back onto here. Shape it a little bit. Yep. Yeah, that's going on there good. We'll go down and have a check of the other one. We'll go around, go underneath the vehicle, have a look what's going down here. Not much you can see. I'm not sure where's the best thing to to put you under here. It's a bit awkward today. And today we got this, you can't see this, I can't even get the camera in, but point it up a bit, bring that into there. Yeah, that goes into there like that. Yeah. So yeah, I'll put this one. I'll put this pipe in here today. This one here, it's probably hard to see. It's hard to see. Bit shaky on it. And there's my some type of valve up there with it all going in. The pipe along underneath here is pretty good. Got a new hose there, connects to the diff. And these pipes at the back have already been fixed up. Yeah, so that's underneath the diff, it's all been painted. Everything's connected up. I've got a bit of wire holding the pipe, just temporary. I don't know if you can see what I have done here on the front. I've actually only got one cylinder up the top holding to do the brake. And there's nothing down the bottom. There's no brake cylinder on this 109 Series 3. You could probably guess what I've done there. And yeah, I have only got one brake cylinder up the top of there. One brake cylinder, but there's nothing at the bottom. You could probably have a guess what I've done there. So I just got to come back and fix all these pipes up and tighten them back up. Not sure if you can see that. That's that valve type of thing up there. There's a type of valve on these Land Rovers that give you a lot of trouble from the front to the back. Some relief valve. Okay, thanks for watching anyway. I'm just letting you know I've done a little bit improvement on it. I've got this brake line done. I've got that one up there done as well. That one, there's only a couple more brake pipes. I've got to go up to the master cylinder. There's a couple of I'm going to renew up there. Okay, thanks for watching anyway. I'll catch you next time. Bye.